How to fix promotion disable on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix promotion disabled on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure Instagram and Facebook are linked. For that, you can open Facebook, tap on the menu icon at top right, scroll down towards setting and privacy and choose setting option. Afterwards, you need to tap on Meta Account Center, tap on See More in Account Center, and now you need to check if your Facebook and Instagram accounts are properly connected. The next step you need to follow is simply verify your account type. Open Instagram app and then go to your profile by tapping profile button at bottom right. Navigate to three-line icon at top right. Now you need to switch your account type and then choose account type in tools and make it to professional by tapping on switch to professional accounts. Tap on next button, select your category and tap switch to professional account. If both of these steps didn't work, you need to report the problem to Instagram. Simply take a screenshot of the error message, open Instagram and tap on profile icon at top right, select three-line icon. Now you need to choose help. Tap on report a problem and report problem without seeking. Tap include and continue, and here you need to explain your issues that you want to fix promotion disable on Instagram. And then you can easily tap on the same button at top right and submit the reports and wait for Instagram to review it. If Instagram finds everything in order, they will resolve the issues and you will be able to run promotions again. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.